That's all mine here now. Get on that. Keep going. Hi, Mom.
They do young again.
Get up there. It's too late. Hi, Pa. Come on. Hi, Mama. Yo. Hi, Papa. Hi. You miss him?
Just gonna have to make do with you then. When I was a little girl, I lived in my pappy big house. I have Sister Jane. We slept in the same room. Only she had a big four-poster. I slept at a pallet, foot of her bed. We'd lie in our bed, dream of our future. I always said that I was gonna marry a prince on a white horse. Jane would laugh at me. I'm gonna marry a raggedy, itty-bitty slave girl like you, Queen, she said. She shouldn't have laughed. She was wrong. Only thing is, how could I possibly have known that when I did see my prince, wasn't gonna be on no white horse, but he'd be riding on a ferry boat, crossing the mighty river.
That's all right.